What is up guys? Louie Castro here. Today, andito ulit tayo sa Toyota Angeles at andito na ang 2026 all-new Toyota RAV4 ADV Hybrid. So tara, tingnan natin. Let's go!
Meron nga palang dalawang variant ang 2026 all-new Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 LTD and this one is the RAV4 ADV or Adventure. Both variants are E4 or all-wheel drive. From the name ADV or Adventure itself, its design is more rugged at mas maangas na build to match the expectations ng mga driver na adventurous or mahilig sa mga outdoor activities. Ito nga pala ang kanyang front fascia, projector LED headlamps with DRL, LED front fog lamps, 4eye front sensors, smart entry. Ito nga pala guys yung design ng kanyang sidings, power windows, power retract side mirrors, auto retract side mirrors, 8-way power seat for the driver with lumbar support, push start system, drive mode switch with 4 options, the normal mode, eco mode, sports mode, and this time pwede na rin siyang i-customize depende sa driving habit or driving preference mo. Dual charging pad, 15 watts USB-C charger for the driver, and the panoramic view monitor which is very helpful dahil adjustable yung view nito. Multi-terrain select, USB-C charger for the passenger, downhill assist control, and the traction control. Ito naman ang kanyang key fob which is very minimalist and yet very premium din ang kanyang design. 12.3 inches TFT meter cluster, 12.9 inches display audio that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. This time yung kanyang aircon switch is naka-integrate na rin sa display audio. It has automatic dual zone climate control with S-Flow, 9-speaker JBL sound system, dual hinge center armrest na para ba naka Land Cruiser 300 ka. Sa overhead console naman nandito ang kanyang sunglass holder, LED map lights, and the switch for the sunroof. Slide and tilt panoramic sunroof, electronic parking brake with brake hold assist, leather wrap finish steering wheel with audio switch, and the switch for the dynamic radar cruise control. Leather seats, dual aircon vents on the second row with 215 watts USB-C port, 2 bottle holders sa center console na second row. Yung A-pillar niya is hindi naman masyadong makapal, so mas lesser ang blind spot. 60/40 folding seats at the second row, power back door with kick sensor, steel rims reserve tire, tonneau cover. Ito nga pala guys yung design ng kanyang roof rail. Its rugged design matches the concept of ADV. 18-inch alloy rims, LED tail lamps. Ito nga pala yung rear view ni Toyota RAV4 ADV. On its engine, it has 16-valve DOHC 4-cylinder inline type with VVT-IE and VVT-I hybrid with a 2.5-liter displacement that produces total max output of 236 horsepower and a max torque of 221 Nm of torque at 3,600 to 5,200 RPM. For the hybrid battery, it is equipped with lithium-ion battery. It also has 55-liter fuel capacity. It is also equipped with Toyota Safety Sense with pre-collision system, automatic high beam, adaptive high beam system, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert, and dynamic radar cruise control. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 ADV has a tag price of 2,183,000 pesos. Kaya kung gusto nyo nito, PM lang kayo guys, Louie Castro at Toyota Angeles, Pampanga. Let's go!